So yeah, this game might be best if I put it up a water rifle. Actually, this game might be best. Actually, my mom. Loading everything good with the quarter mile or but this side. Look at my screen. Look at this. There we go. Hopefully this works. It doesn't resolve. I'll keep it on the top. Instead of lock on the so right now this is how to use the basket. Now. So God. Okay, yeah, I got this flower too. I can't wait. I hope Becky like stitch, starch, like stitch everything. That's how big of a stitch that she's so cute. Where should we sit? With the bars or no? Ooh, we should be like stick this. You don't get skip the bars. And then that is stick it in. Pinch. Pick the cup. Finish each basket. Yum. 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 Yum.